Hey y'all, Hurricane Rebecca here, and I'm at the Bricks in Lee Summit, Missouri, one of my hot spots, and I love their craft beers. Usually I indulge, but this time I had to get a Bloody Mary because it looked so good. The hickory burger with house-made chips was fire, but I had to grab a pineapple jalapeno margarita. Gouda burger spicy fries was on point. Our food was excellent. We were fat and happy. Believe me, it was good. Blackberry margarita, they were talking about, tasted like a sweet tart, and it did, but I ended my day with the S'mores Boulevard. Come here, check it out, lots of fun.